I suspect the oil and the neutral lights have gone bad. There are 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, that hold it all together. But the problem is the heads are, you can't really call them heads. So let's see if we can extract them. All the bulbs are good actually, to be honest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I deepened the socket, and here's where the issue lies. So the wire taking the power to the bulbs was broken. It's broken off from right here. So this will have to be fixed. Here's the joint soldered. It should work for the purposes of starting the engine. Gauge back in. The wires have been jumped. Let's see if the fix has worked. Yep, works.